Flender Gearboxes are known for their precision and performance. When your Flender Gearbox needs repair, contact industrialgearbox.net. Our team of highly skilled Timken-certified technicians are specialized in the repair of Flender gearboxes and extruders, so we understand their unique design and operating principles. We offer a comprehensive range of repair services, including gear replacement, bearing replacement, shaft alignment. We can also manufacture gears up to 20 feet in diameter, and we offer emergency rush repair services. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that your Flender gearbox is repaired to OEM specifications. We rigorously test each unit before certifying it with our 24-month warranty and shipping it back for free. If you're in need of Flender Gearbox repair, contact industrialgearbox.net today.